Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video we will discuss about how to add chart title and axis title using VBA code. So here when I click the make chart button, it creates the chart for me, a bar chart for me, and with a default title and default settings. So what we want to do is we want to give a customized title for the bar chart and axis title for the x-axis and the y-axis. This is what is our requirement. Okay. So to do this, I will switch back to VBA interface. So now I don't want to repeat cht.chart. something like that. So I'm going to use a with structure here. So I'm saying with cht.chart, and I will use end with to denote the with is finished here. So first I will write the code for adding the chart main title. Okay, so we will write the code for having the chart main title dot has title equals true. This code means cht.chart.has title is equal to true. This is for making sure that chart title object is added in the chart. Then I'm saying dot chart title dot characters dot text equals, then I will give the title. So I'm saying region bar sales and profit. Okay, so let me try to execute this and make sure that it comes in the chart. So when I come back and when I click the make chart button, so the chart comes with the title. Okay, so now let's add axis title for the chart. So first we will try to add x-axis title. X-axis title. Okay, so for the x-axis title we will be saying dot axis, then in the bracket we will say Excel category, comma Excel primary dot has title equals true. After that I will copy this down. Then I'm saying dot axis title dot characters dot text equals, then I'm saying region. Okay, so here I already deleted the chart type from clustered bar because this time I want a column chart. So if I don't specify the chart type, it will be coming as a column chart. So now I will go back and click on the make chart button. So when I click, you can see region sales is a chart title and the region here is the x-axis title. Now let's try to add the y-axis title also here. So let me try to copy this down for me. So I will copy this down like this, and here I will say y-axis, and instead of Excel category, here I will be giving Excel values. Okay, so here also Excel values, not values, it's value. Okay, then I'm giving here amount. Okay, so I go back to my Excel and I remove this one, click on make charts. Now I have chart title, x-axis title and the y-axis title. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.